How's it not showing the... Oh, here.
What is this? AI?
What the heck is wrong?
Nerve
plants.
plants. They all look the same.
Do you need a pizza?
Oh yeah, it does have
Maybe I'll get pizza. One lemon mushroom.
Lemon mushroom.
bacon sausage.
Bacon sausage.
It wasn't working.
Like this? And fully overhead?
Why is it moving by itself? You just have to push it.
It looks like you're gonna eat it. It's like a dessert.
How do I get her out?
I think you just pull? I don't know. There. This girl was about to scoop it up like ice cream.
Oh, look at it!
Is this why they gave us garden gloves for this? Why does mine feel like it's just brittle?
You chose that
I'm
plant.
dying already.
It's spongy.
You said no.
I
You said to put
didn't
it in.
wait.
You agreed that it was just for storage.
She
No,
sabotaged
I agreed
you.
with you because you said it.
She sabotaged you.
I don't want to talk to anybody. Oh man, I should have named mine industry plant.
Why?
Why?
What's an industry plant?
You know that is?
No.
That's like a celebrity that you're like, I don't want to be in your vlog. Leave me alone. No paparazzi, stop it.
So what's an industry plant?
It's like a celebrity that is an industry.
What?
It's a celebrity that was like molded to be a celebrity.
Like every celebrity.
No.
Name one that isn't.
An industry plant is
I'm
Echo.
so scared that I'm ruining
What's
the
an
room.
industry plant?
Industry plant is a pejorative used to describe musicians who become popular through nepotism, inheritance.
Nepotism.
Oh.
What if I put I'm gonna put a stick.
I feel like I'm ruining her.
Good?
Don't die on me. There.
I think ranch style means like they were on a
Yeah, they
ranch.
were on a ranch.
Yeah, but they look
How do you pick them though?
rough.
Get all the meat and you want to
Wait, what is it?
put the whole. It's $1.
Get it.
What? Read it to me.
Oh, rip. Oops. Sorry. That's my fault.
I can't use the hands. Yeah.
It's dead.
Don't water it! Johan was sitting in front of
Thanks, Johan.
Oh, sorry.
Are you tired?
And I'm also tired.
Nice.
That's the thing, only go without the best one.